That is what a bad CV joint sounds like. You hear that noise the most when you're making a turn, and especially if you're trying to accelerate.